Okay, first we're going to talk about the Badger 3600 AT. The AT stands for fully automatic. The Badger 3600 is designed for 0.4 millimeter up to 3 millimeter material, including buffing wheels. The 3600 has 6 stations. When you first turn it on, you can choose between English or Italian. The built-in Delta PLC touchscreen makes the user interface very easy for the operator. Everything can be turned on or turned off by touch of a finger. Simply decide what motors you're going to run, press it, and we're ready to go. Let's take a close look. All right, the Badger 3600 AT is designed with a built-in infrared heater. It helps with zero glue line and is designed also to open the pores of the material for a beautiful application. Here we have the infrared heater. Here we have the independent volume control, or basically the amount of glue being put onto your material. Here we have our 2-liter glue pot, pellet glue pot. Now the heating system on the 3600 can be changed to match your manufacturer's pellet glue requirements. Now over here we have the inserting of the Edgebander. We have the edge banding pulling motor. And then we have not 1, 2, but we have 3 pressure rollers for your material. In the front here, we have independent controls for each one of those mechanisms, plus your material puller. Now let's take a look at the motors. Okay, now this is why I'm so excited about the 3600 Badger. Everything in here is independently controlled. Each motor does its own function from beginning to end, making not only the quality, production speed, but easy maneuvering with each particular motor. For example, let's just say your top cutter wasn't cutting deep enough, or there's a little bit left over that you didn't like. You can separately or independently control that top cutter, maneuver it, and then at that point, knowing the bottom's not going to move. You can dial in anything very easily, very accurately. Let's break this down. In the front of the machine, when the edge band material first comes in, you have your independent top cutter. Down here, you have your independent back cutter or rear cutter. Both cutters are high frequency, 12,000 RPM. Here, we have our top and bottom cutter. This is the top, this is the bottom. Again, high frequency, 12,000 RPM, 6 wing cutters for the top and the bottom. Last in this station is our top and bottom glue scrapers. Again, independently operating of each other, and they have their independent controls, which allows for, again, ease of maneuverability. If you need to scrape off a little bit more glue or a little less glue, it's a simple turn of the knob. It's that easy. Let's take a look at the buffing station. Okay, the last station is the buffing station, which gives a great finish and is absolutely necessary for 3 millimeter material. With that in mind, again, independent operation for the top and for the bottom. Let's just say, for example, a year down the line, you want to change a buffing wheel. You can just need the top or just do the bottom. Now, let's see the machine in operation. Now that was amazing. Look at these edges, the corners, the buffing, perfect. Easy, efficient, that's the way we like it. The Badger 3600 was designed as a space-saving configuration, but boasts an easy-to-use interface with workload history. It's easy to transport, and again, every motor is independently operated, ensuring quality at every application. CNC Factory has built an industrial edge banding machine that boosts quality as a machine twice its size. My name is Chris Corrales with CNC Factory. Again, I thank you for watching.